So, hi guys, I'm Vanilla. So, I'm up with a new video with my new friend, తన పేరు లిపి. సో తనకి తెలుగు కొంచెం రాదు, సో తనకి టాస్క్స్ అన్ని కూడా తెలుగులో ఇచ్చాను. సో చాలా 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 ఫన్ వచ్చింది. సో హోప్ యు గైస్ లైక్ ఇట్.
Hi, Lipi.
Hi, Wendy.
What are you doing?
I was just getting myself ready as I'm about to get featured in your YouTube channel. So that's a big honor for me.
Such honor. No, please start with that hype situation right now. So, okay, today it's your turn to create a video with you. So, most important language is Telugu. So,
I'll try my best.
okay, I am going to make you a Telugu princess or Telugu girl. So, complete your tasks are in Telugu only.
Okay.
So, please don't scold me after seeing these tasks and all.
Just don't make me a puppet.
No, it is not puppet. I'm going to show you what exactly you are.
Okay.
What exactly Lipi Sahu is.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. So first, I'm going to ask you, like, tell you few vegetable names in English. So I want them in Telugu.
You wantedly did this, didn't you? I
Yeah,
know.
based on our experiences, I just started selecting this thing. Okay. So first one is brinjal.
Vankai.
Okay. Next is bitter gourd.
Kakarkai.
Okay. What is lady's finger?
Bendakai.
Hey Lippy, what is this? Why are you answering all?
I know it.
Okay, what is bottle gourd?
Some kai.
What is that?
Vankai, Vendakai, Bendakai, Kakarkai, Doskai. Some kai only, re. God knows.
What is that exact kind name?
Bottle gourd. God. Give me options, you know.
No, tell all the vegetable names what you know. What's that?
Vankai, Bendakai, Doskai, Kakarkai, Panasakai, Aratikai, Mummadikai, Gummadikai, something.
Anapkai.
Mamadikai, Anasakai, something.
Anapkai.
Anapkai.
Mamadikai is mango Lippy. Don't confuse
Kobbarkai.
audience now. Okay, chalo. Bottle gourd is anapakai. So what is pumpkin?
God knows, re babu. I don't know.
Pumpkin. Array, in the list of Kaya's family, what you told, in that only answer is there.
Tera. Mamadikai.
Mamadikai is mango Lippy. Don't
Oh, shit,
mix
sorry.
fruits and vegetables now.
Aratikai.
No.
Ayyo, I forgot what I told. Kakarkai.
No.
Kai.
Gummadikai.
Okay.
Okay.
I was
what
about
is...
to tell that only. Was here on.
It will be there only. Till the end of the video, it will be there only. Okay. What is drumsticks known as? It is not Kaya family. For sure.
Drumsticks. Kai. Not Kaya.
No.
God knows. In Hindi, we call it Munga.
I don't want Hindi now. That is why I want to make you a trending Telugu girl now. If in YouTube now, if you search as Telugu girl, first of all, the name comes as Lipi Sahu.
Drumsticks.
Okay. It is Mulakkada.
No chance I would have said that.
No
anyhow.
chance. Okay. Second thing is I'm going to give 3 tongue twisters.
Okay.
Tell those 3 tongue twisters 6 times each.
Warm up. Done.
Warm up done. Okay. First one. I have got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late. Because warm up is done. So come to practical thing.
Come
Once
again?
again. Yeah. I have got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late.
I'll write that down. I'll write and tell. I should remember this, in some chit I'll write later.
You got familiar to chits that much, Lippy.
That is how I passed revenue. Okay, fine.
Okay.
I'll give
Yeah,
one
but-
short. I have a date. Don't be late. See you at the gate. What?
I have got a date at
I've got a date.
7:45. At 7:45.
At quarter to
See you
8.
at the gate, so
See you at
don't
the
be
gate.
late.
So don't be late. Okay.
That's it.
I've got a date. I've got a date at 7:45. So I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late.
Tell it 6 times.
Oh. I've got a date at 7:45. See you at the gate, don't be late. I've got a date at 7:45, so I'll see you at the gate, don't be late. I've got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late. I've got a date at 7:45, so I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late. I've got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late. I've got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't you dare be late. I've got a
Don't
gate.
you dare. Okay,
I've got
okay.
a gate. I've got a date at 7:45. I'll see you at the gate, so don't be late. Over, right?
Super. Super. Task is done. I don't think that because you have 2 more tongue twisters. Other one is I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I like it is a tongue twister, obviously.
What is this? What is that? I'll get
I
you.
saw Susie. Susie is a girl's name. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
I saw Susie sitting in a sitting in a shoe shine shop. Shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie in a. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Last one.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Okay. Next one will be very fuzzy. So, it is a lengthy one, but understand it.
Okay.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a beer. The name of the beer is Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a beer. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Boy, it's like a rhyme. Fuzzy Wuzzy was. Fuzzy
Was
Wuzzy
a beer.
was a beer. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not so fuzzy.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not so fuzzy, was he? That all you know?
Yeah. Come on, 6 times.
Boy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not so fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was not so fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't so fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Is a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy isn't so fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy is a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy isn't so fuzzy, was he?
Okay, done. 6 times. Okay. So how was these 2 things? How are these 2 things?
My tongue literally twisted only.
Twisted only. Okay, last small task for you specially.
Okay.
Tell about your BTech life in Telugu without using a single English word.
Re baap re.
Come on, 3, 2, 1, start. Only for 1 minute.
ఓకే నా బీటెక్ మొదలైంది 2016లో అయిపోయింది 2020లో
2016 అంటే
2016. అబ్బబ్బబ్బా పెన్ని టూ మచ్.
చలో ఓకే,
100.
నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లోడెడ్.
210 6
2016.
2016.
ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ 100, ఇట్ ఇస్ 1000. 2000 ఇట్ ఇస్ 1000 నో. సో 2016 నుంచి 2020.
సేమ్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్.
తెలుసా? ఓన్లీ ద ఇయర్ యు రిమెంబర్, దట్స్ ఇట్. యు డోంట్ రిమెంబర్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us.
చాలా ఫన్ గా జరిగింది.
ఫన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్.
ఫన్ అంటే చాలా గా జరిగింది.
ఆనందంగా.
ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్ హైదరాబాద్ కి వెళ్ళాను, నీతో కలిసాను.
నన్ను కలిశాను అను. బూతులు నిన్ను కలిశాను అను.
నిన్ను కలిసాను, చాలా మందితో కలిసాను.
నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ పదానికి వెళ్ళి కలిసాను అంట. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పు.
మా ట్రిప్స్, మా సీతంధర బ్యాచ్ బీచ్ every అరే బాప్రే ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఆఫ్. ఆర్ డైలీ ఈవినింగ్
రోజు
సాయంత్రం మేము బీచ్ తో కమింగ్, బీచ్ లో పాసింగ్.
బీచ్ రోడ్ నుంచి వస్తాము.
బీచ్ రోడ్ నుంచి వస్తాము. మా అరకు ట్రిప్స్, మా ఖరగ్పూర్ ట్రిప్స్. కోల్కతా నువ్వు వెళ్ళావు, నేను వెళ్ళలేదు.
ఓకే. ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నావా? చాలా. ఓకే, so I'll stop it. I know this Telugu task is just for fun. I gave you last one. So I prepared only the first and the next one, tongue twisters and the Telugu vegetables one. That's it with you. So how is this video? How do you experience this kind of activity?
Super. The tongue twister was really twisting, and the Kai family, literally I can sing a rap song on it right now.
Yeah, I remember that rap song. Please, once can you sing the rap song for us?
Why forward re? Those many guys, that time I by-hearted.
And guys, seriously listen, she used to sing a rap song on all the vegetables whatever we have in Telugu.
Really?
So I'll just make her prepare that rap song once again so that I'll get it in front of you. I'll keep it in our channel.
I'll give you a small glimpse though.
Yeah.
Call it a small starter type though. See. Vankai, doskai, bendakai, మామిడికాయ, గుమ్మిడికాయ, అరటికాయ, కాకరకాయ, దోసకాయ, కొబ్బరికాయ, కాయ.
Hello, you are going to be a Telugu queen now, I guess. The audience where they'll be seeing you, they're like, is that Telugu girl? Oh, Lippy Sahu, she's from Vizag. So tomorrow, make your doors open. Everyone will coming for
I hope I don't find any memes tomorrow morning.
No. May not be. Okay. So, chalo, I'll be calling you later then. Bye. Thank you for your time.
Bye.